Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be part 2 of getting my life together. I have to do so many things that one day wasn't enough. Yeah, so today is gonna be the next part of me getting my life together. For sure, I need to meal prep. I wanna make a banana bread. Dishes are done. I'm going to start meal prepping for this week. I'm gonna make ground turkey and I'm gonna do probably half of it like burgers and then half of it do a spaghetti. That's the plan. So I'm just gonna cook the pasta now. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is make the banana bread because it does bake for like a good hour. So I wanna just have that done before I go to the Zumba class. Never really know what's going on. The bread is ready, but I do want to do like a little layer on top with the other half of the lemon and blueberries and just do like a sweet like kind of top thingy. Do y'all see that pigment? I'm excited. I love that the sun is hitting it just like perfect right now. It's just a mix of lemon, blueberry, sugar. I did put a little bit of flour because it was looking a little too runny. I don't really have enough time to like make food. I mean, I could, but I don't want to like have to rush, you know? So I'm just like prepping the veggies, prepping my fruit that I have. Pretty much cut some carrots because I like to have them cut that way. It's like easy to add into whatever and it stays fresh so good. Here's the one that I have with like chiles and like bell peppers and jalapenos. I do put a paper towel when it's chiles. Carrots honestly have moisture in them and I honestly add like a little bit of water anyways to like keep moisture in there because I have noticed a few times they kind of dry out in the mason jars, but if you add a little bit of water, they're perfect. Okay, and then let me show y'all what I got cooking. So after cutting the zucchini and stuff, I was kind of craving like a little salad. So I have this going here, and then we got spaghetti in here. The bread, it says it has 9 minutes. I haven't even peeked or anything though. Oh, I kind of want to. Depending on how it looks. Oh. Moment of truth, let's stab. Because not gonna lie, a lot of the times I do have to leave it for extra time, which oh yeah, definitely need more time. Look how pretty it looks though. So I didn't put too much of the zucchini and stuff, but I do want a little bit of it, so. I really gotta leave in like 5 minutes. That bread better hurry up. Okay, so we're heading to Zumba. The bread was not ready, so I told my husband, I'm like, hey, turn it off in like 5-10 minutes. Yesterday was Zumba toning. Today is regular Zumba, so no weights will be involved. Thankfully, I don't think I could do that again. Not for a while. These are hitting the spot right now. It's because I want to try the bread, but I need some food first. If you're a lemon lover like me, you would love this. I think I want another piece. This is the fit. I wore this literally last week, exact same outfit, but it was cute. And it's Valentine's Day, I don't have much pink, so. Okay, let's do my skincare. I'm debating if I want to do like a cute look or just like keep it simple. This is cocoa butter, but like Vaselina. Wait, right? Yeah, petroleum jelly cocoa butter. I love it. It's so good. I use that on my neck because like my face moisturizer is just too good that I don't want to waste it. Should I do my eyebrows? I feel like I should. Handy dandy straight blade. I'm so thankful for my skin, y'all. Like I'm still like struggling a little bit with my acne scars, and every once in a while I do still get acne. But compared to how it was, I'm just so grateful. Like the other day, actually like last week I think it was, I got 2 pimples out of nowhere and I was just like, what the heck, right? Like it's been a while that I got a pimple, but it's not that bad. Okay, so this is my bronzer and I do not put much because for one, it's just like way too dark. Like I'm the palest I've ever been in my life right now. So I put literally barely any. Like I feel like that's like just enough. Like, okay, so I'm gonna do like my lashes, get my hair. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Makeup done. Hair, I just did twists on the top, if y'all can see. But I do have a little bit of time. I want to organize like this a little bit because look at this section. It's so bad. So I kind of gotta hurry, not too much. Thankfully, I made this egg last night. Okay, we got a sandwich, we got fruit. Today was so slow. It was so freaking slow. I don't understand. I guess I get it. Like it's Valentine's Day. People are not getting their hair done. They're out and about doing their things. We're gonna make these burgers and fries.
I showed them around at night. I go white lighting, and it gives them.
Made it home. I worked all day today and I was not very busy. I've been needing to do my hair, so we did it. I did like a reddish color. I've been thinking about coloring my hair this color though for a really long time, and I just hadn't done it yet, but I knew I wanted to, and it was between this or going back like my natural brown. But I was like, you know what, let me have fun with some colors before I just go dark again, you know? So yeah, I'm excited to see it in the sun. And also because I have like my balayage pieces, those pieces are like slightly brighter. So it is kind of cool because it gives it like a dimension still. It's not just like solid. So I really like that. Like y'all see how like it's dimensional? Like you can see like where my lighter pieces were. Super pretty. Shout out to Athena. She's the one that did it. So yeah, I got my hair done. Film put together. I put this scarf on because I don't really want to put my hair up, but I don't love when my hair, like when I'm doing stuff and it's like all in my face. So I got this nice little scarf on. It's so nice because it's long enough where I can like tie it around, tie it in the front. Love it. And it's silk, so it's gonna keep my hair nice and smooth, nice and straight. Because right now the weather is crazy, y'all. So y'all know I live in Colorado, obviously, right? And so it snows out here, right? But this is like the first time it snows, like it snows in Texas. Because it never snows in Texas, but when it does, it's not snow, it's ice. And right now it's ice. So the roads are super slippery. So anyways, because it's like humid cold, not like dry cold, because Colorado's dry cold, but Texas humid cold. So because it's like humid cold today, my hair is probably gonna freeze up. So this will help also like tame down any frizziness. And then I don't think I ever showed y'all what I got from the thrift store when I went to Goodwill, because when I went to Goodwill, let me show y'all. This whole bag is full of clothes. I went because I want to make my husband a USA jacket. This Goodwill had so many freaking USA things. I think in Colorado in general, it's like very like USA military, like all those things are here. So people be wearing their red, white, and blue. So it was actually not as hard as what I thought it was gonna be. So let me show y'all. We got this one. Maybe I'll speed through because there's like so many. And then this is the jacket that I want to sew it on. So it's already like a little Adidas, because I was like not trying to do the most. I was like, it would be nice if I could find a jacket that's already like a jacket, you know, and then I just sew onto it. So I found this one, which I thought was perfect. So what I want to do is probably make the sleeves USA, and I kind of want to do the back also, but I don't know because I'm not like that good of a sewer yet, you know, and I'm not trying to like mess something up. Okay, so I'm kind of like brainstorming what I want to do with it. I think what I want to do though is make a whole separate video with me just doing this jacket. I feel like that would be a really cool video. So I'm going to end this video here. If y'all want to see how I make this jacket, subscribe so you can see it. And then also I'm going to post my week of taking different workout classes also. So if you want to see that one, be sure to be looking out for that. I do want to give it to my husband before Sunday or on Sunday. And I'm going to be busy Sunday and I work all day tomorrow, which is Saturday. Like, I don't have much time. So I need to go ahead and brainstorm it now. That is the plan. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before I let y'all go though, I do want to show y'all how it's looking outside. Look at this. Y'all can kind of see it in the light, how it's coming down. Like now it is snow, but earlier it was just raining and it was haily. But girl, I'm kind of scared for tomorrow. How are the roads gonna be? But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.